Most dash cams stop recording the moment when you turn off your ignition. But what happened on those vulnerable hours when your car is parked? This is Tajamul Adil. Today I'm talking about discovering the secret technology that turns your dash cam into a 24 by 7 security powerhouse, detecting impact and continuous surveillance. Yes, I'm talking about TiESFONG i7 Pro WB 4-channel dash camera. This just isn't a dash cam, it's a game changer for your car's security. Let's get started and first start with the unboxing of TiESFONG i7 Pro WB 4-channel dash cam. What if your dashcam could do more than record your drives? The TiESFONG i7 Pro WB is a 4-channel dashcam that records 360-degree footage around your car with a front camera that captures up to 4K resolution and the rest of the three cameras are 1080p. The i7 Pro WB comes with the adhesive bracket which is removable like other dash cameras. Also, its fitting is very simple and 3M stickers are attached to it. In the package, 28 GB micro SD cards come with it. By the way, 128 GB memory card storage can record several hours of footage before needing to overwrite old files. On top of the dashcam, you will find GPS option and rear camera options. Here, you will find 24 by 7 radar button options and you can adjust its security level from 1 to 2 and you can even switch off the dash camera. This hardware kit is required to enable the dash camera's 24 by 7 radar-based parking monitor feature which records when movement is detected around your parked car. Also, voltages are mentioned here. Minimum is 11.8 volt and maximum is 12.2 volt. This hardware kit will use the battery power according to how much voltages are required, but I keep my kit up to 11.8 volts. The i7 Pro WB dashcam is equipped with an advanced G sensor, which is a key feature in majority of dashcams, and I prefer to keep it on medium level. This built-in accelerometer automatically detects collisions and sudden impacts, triggering the dashcam to save and protect the corresponding video footages as you see in this video. The i7 Pro WB dashcam offers a very interesting feature which is a 24 by 7 radar based parking mode. By the way, the radar based parking mode is designed to be highly power efficient. For using the 24 by 7 parking surveillance feature, the dashcam must be connected to your car fuse box using a hardware kit. I have already published a video on how to install a hardware kit. You can find a card option on the right top of the video. Another cool feature is AI motion detection and pedestrian tracking with the 24 by 7 parking mode. The dash camera's parking mode relies on a 5.8 GHz microwave radar and a G sensor to activate recording. The key difference between this and AI powered system is the level of intelligence in the detection. Basically, the radar sensor detects any movement near the parked car, triggers the dashcam to begin recording. The i7 Pro WB dashcam features a user-friendly menu that can be accessed from the dashcam, and I will show you some of my settings. With the dashcam powered on, Press the M button to enter the menu settings. You may need to stop recording first, which is typically done with the OK button. You can adjust the resolution, IP LED, loop recording, microphone, G sensors, and more. Keep watching the video for more settings. Now I would like to show you how to install i7 Pro WP dash camera in your car. The first setting we need to do is remove the adhesive bracket from the dash camera. After this, we need to use electrostatic stickers. Find a dash camera's right placement in the windshield, and after finding a place, use electrostatic stickers on the windshield. The CPL filter comes in the package of the i7 Pro WP dash cam, and I'm using it on the front of the dash camera. Finally, the dash cam is installed on the car, and let's switch it on by using the hardware kit for 24/7 parking mode. Now, we need to install a rear camera in your car, as I'm installing it inside the car screen because the rear camera is not waterproof. So that's why I installed it inside the car, and that's the position of the rear camera. As I have installed an i7 Pro WP 4-channel dash cam with the hardware kit, and you can switch on the level of the parking mode, and level 2 is maximum. The i7 Pro WP dash cam connect to a smartphone using the Viidure app, and you can find the Viidure app in the video description. From this app, you can manage settings, view live footages, and download video files remotely. Open the Viidure mobile app and open your phone's Wi-Fi settings. Find the dash camera's network and connect using the password. Open the Viidure app and tap Connect Camera. It should automatically detect and connect to your dash cam's Wi-Fi. From the app, you can view all your 4 camera views, and you can also adjust the camera settings of the dash camera. Mode section, you will find it that it can continuously record everything while parking, but it will keep using the battery power as well, as you are using a hardware kit which manages the battery power according to power settings. As we have already learned how to install a dash cam, and I have already shown you 24/7 parking surveillance advantages. Now I want to show you all camera video recording, so let's have a look. Pro WP 4-channel dash camera offers a smart 24/7 parking mode which can enhance your car's security. It can record everything 24/7 while on the drive or while parking. The i7 Pro WP 4-channel dash camera buying price is $117.99 and you can find the buying links in the video description. If you are interested in 24/7 home security camera, then click on this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in this video.